Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn how to move component, mirror assembly, pattern component and finding degrees of freedom. We have already seen how to move component. Add a component. Okay. Here, see, this is how you can move a component. See, this is how you can move a component or rotate a component in assembly environment. Okay. Then pattern a component we have already seen. Again we will see this part. Select a component, then select a vector, then between distance C. This is how you can pattern a component. And degrees of freedom, from here you can see the degrees of freedom. Click on show degrees of freedom and select a component. See, here you can see the degrees of freedom of this bolt. Okay, this is how you can move a component, pattern component and see degrees of freedom of the component. Okay, thank